Well, hey you guys, welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana. So, I'm going to show you today how to make a really simple lunch if you have some cheese, a tomato, and some English muffins, and butter and mayonnaise, salt and pepper. That's it. Okay, so first off, we are going to brown or toast the English muffins, whether that be in a toaster or in your air fryer. Really simple. Let's get started. Okay, so I like to put mine in the air fryer with some butter on it on tin foil. And if you're doing this in the oven, you can do this in the oven as well after your bread is toasted. Put them on tin foil. Don't just put them on a pan because the cheese does tend to melt over a little bit. And you don't want a gooey mess, especially in an air fryer. So let's get these in the air fryer and let's get them toasted. Okay, so my air fryer has a toast button on it. I have the GoWise. I'm going to be showing you guys a brand new toaster oven as well that I was sent to review that I just haven't been able to do that. But it's really cool. So this has a 5-minute setting and I have it on the top just like that. So we're just going to toast these and let's get our tomato ready. Okay, first off, I want to show you this really cool knife that I got. So it's by Nakano. It is an amazing knife. It slices right through everything so easy. The handle conforms to my hand. I have really small hands and it conforms to my hand. It's very comfortable. And let me show you how easily this slices this tomato without any effort. If I can't get this. Okay, let's see. How am I going to do this? Let me start it. Okay, you guys, let's get this going. One-handed here. Look at this. No effort. Well, I guess if I can... There we go. Right through. Look at that. Right through. So, these are too thick slices, so I'm going to have to do it by hand. Not holding the camera, but look at these amazing tomatoes. That's a little bit thick for what I'm using, so I'm gonna have to make that a little bit smaller, but just wanted to show you guys. This makes a great gift. These things are so sturdy. I just love them. I absolutely love mine. It's not heavy, it's very light, and like I said, I have small hands, and this fits just perfectly. So if you guys haven't seen these, I'm going to put a link in my description box to these. They're called Nakano. They have a whole set. They come boxed, and they're just really nice. Just don't put them in the dishwasher. Hand wash them, and it's a real wood handle. So you want to put a little bit of oil on the handle. Just keep it really nice, and they'll stay for years. Let's finish slicing these. Okay, so I will be showing this in a different video because you guys really need to see it because it just paper slices these and it slices like butter. I just love this knife. And this is the one that I sliced in half that I showed you guys. Didn't do that one, but yeah, amazing. And these are some of my garden tomatoes, some of my bigger ones. I got a couple, and then these are some of my other ones. And these right here. So I'm getting there, you guys. And I also have some more sprouts going, just a little bit. Those will be ready tomorrow. Okay, so let's get these English muffins out, and I'll show you how to put it together. This is an old recipe that I learned probably about 40 years ago, and we have had this for lunch for the kids for years, for little snacks if you're just hungry. It really fills you up. Of course, it's bread and just tomato and cheese. So you can use any kind of cheese. If you have garden tomatoes, it's best, of course, because you want it to taste like tomato, right? Who doesn't love a real summer tomato? They are amazing. So if you have real good garden tomatoes, this is perfect. And you can use your little ones and just slice them up perfectly fine. Okay, so these are out of the air fryer. Look at that goodness. So I'm going to get the mayo out. Okay, got the mayo out. So we are just going to smooth the mayo around the English muffin, just like that, and you'll find that the mayo melts. And we're going to use whatever we have left over for the next one, and so on. So let me get these done, and then I'll bring you back. Okay, super important, you want to put salt and pepper on them, so I am just going to go ahead and show you how I do one. Salt and pepper. Don't forget that, main ingredient. Okay, next you want to take your tomatoes, as many as you want to fit on there, and then you're going to cover it with a slice of cheese. And we're going to do that for all 4. Okay, so this is what it should look like before you put it in the air fryer or in the oven. If you put it in the oven, put it in for 350, just until you see the cheese start to melt and the tomato and everything will get heated through. So I'm going to dedicate this video to my son Matt, who says that every time I make this, he always forgets about this because he's away from home, and he always forgets to make this. So Matt, here is your instructions by Mom to make this video, or to make this meal that you love, because this is one of his favorites, you guys. So this is how you do it, sweetie. And into the air fryer they go for about 2 minutes. There you go. Okay, they are out of the oven. We're going to put them onto the plate in the tinfoil. And there you have it, you guys. Lunch. And just bite into them. They are absolutely amazing. And don't forget the link for this Nakano knife. And I'm going to show you more in detail because this was not even a great demonstration. But let me tell you, it cuts like butter. I love it. Absolutely love it. It's my new favorite knife. So, yeah, there you go. Super, super easy meal. And it only takes about maybe 5 minutes to make it. So if you have English muffins and you don't know what to do and you have some tomatoes and cheese, this is the perfect snack or lunch. Okay? We're going to eat. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And the word of the day is English muffin. Enter the comment word of the day to win a prize from my channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon.